Namaste. Welcome to the series of talks on the Hastha Yoga, that is Yoga through hands. This is the talk number 15, and we have so far examined six mudras, six important mudras. In this talk, we will examine two more mudras, namely Dhyani Mudra and Apan Mudra. The speaker would like to correct his own the sentence he made. We have had eight mudras so far. We have learned eight mudras, not six as mentioned by the speaker. So in this talk, we will examine Dhyana Mudra and Apana Mudra. Now, this Dhyana Mudra is the mudra of meditation, of concentration, or on dharma, and of the attainment of spiritual perfection. According to the Buddhist tradition, this mudra is derived from the one assumed by the Buddha while meditating under the peepal tree before his enlightenment. After Jnana Mudra, we know how it is to be performed. Jnana Mudra is this. After Jnana Mudra, this is the mudra frequently used in meditation. This is performed by placing on the lap um, both the hands shaped like a bowl. The right hand lies on the left hand like this. The right hand lies on the left hand and the thumbs touch each other, thus forming a mystic triangle. Now, this is the mudra I'm showing. The left hand is at the bottom, the right hand lies upon it. So the two thumbs join together, thus forming a mystic triangle. Some esoteric sects attribute to this triangle a multitude of meanings, the most important being the identification with the mystic fire that consumes all impurities. So the bowl formed in this mudra symbolizes inward freedom, purity, and emptiness necessary to receive everything needed for the spiritual journey. It indicates perfect balance of thought, stilling of the senses, and tranquility. This mudra is displayed by the fourth Dhyani Buddha Amitabha. So this particular mudra is a very powerful mudra, and it is practiced in Buddhism. In Buddhism, of course, it doesn't prevent us from doing this mudra. We can also do this mudra, and hope that the listeners have learned how it should be performed. The left hand should be at the bottom, the right hand should lie upon it, and these two thumbs should touch each other. The tip of the two thumbs should touch each other, forming a kind of triangle, and this triangle is mystic triangle. So this is a very powerful mudra after Jnana Mudra. Um, and this particular mudra is performed after Jnana Mudra. So these two mudras are very powerful mudras, most important mudras used in meditation. The benefits are there are many benefits. The benefits are as we derive by performing the Jnana Mudra, all those benefits that we derive in Jnana Mudra can be applied to this Dhyana Mudra. So one feels filled with new energy and higher thoughts. the best mudra that calms all senses and the thought process, the best mudra for meditation. Now, we will take up another important mudra, Apana mudra. It is translated as energy mudra. It is done by placing the thumb, uh, middle finger, and ring finger together like this, and extending the other fingers in a relaxed way. You see, this is the Apana mudra. So the ring finger, the middle finger, the tip of the ring finger, and the middle finger are joined with the tip of the thumb. So, and then we place the back part of the hand on the thighs and sit. There are several benefits of performing this mudra. The first benefit is it has a balancing effect on the mind. Yeah. It removes toxins from the body, and it's a best mudra for controlling diabetes. Those who suffer from um, diabetes can sit and do this mudra for 5 to 10 minutes, and one can see the effect of it on the pancreas. It checks and controls diabetes, the sugar level in the body. It can be done both in the morning and in the evening. So those who are diabetic should do this mudra both in the morning and in the evening. So the duration could be between 5 and 10 minutes. So the second advantage of this mudra is it also checks and rectifies the urinary problems in our body. Those who suffer from frequent going to urines, frequently urinate. Mostly the diabetic patients have frequent urination. So this text, as the speaker has already said, this mudra is very powerful and it works well um, for those diabetic patients. And it's useful in the treatment of constipation, flatulence, piles, and burning sensation in the body. And the last benefit of this mudra is it is helpful in the treatment of all diseases caused by the deficiencies of vata and kapha. So all those diseases caused by the deficiency of vata and kapha can be checked and controlled by performing this particular mudra. And this mudra is called Apan mudra. It's also known as energy mudra. So in this talk, we have learned two more mudras. So we have so far learned 10 mudras, and there are a few more mudras, and we shall take up two more mudras in our next video talk. Thank you very much for listening. Namaste.